Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look around the 3-bedroom Mirin home. So come on in. So the first thing that you'll find as soon as you enter the property is this downstairs WC. Now this particular bathroom has been designed in quite a bold way with a statement wallpaper to make it look really different and to prove that bathrooms don't have to be boring. And it also comes in really handy if you've got guests around because it means that you can keep them all downstairs. So as we move a little bit further into the property, we're in the lounge area, which is a lovely spacious room with plenty of natural light coming in thanks to the large windows at the front of the home. And similar to the bathroom, this room has been designed in quite an eclectic way, which I personally really like, but this room can be designed in any way that suits you best. So next up we've got the kitchen diner area, which is a lovely open plan space with French patio doors out onto the back garden. This space is really sociable because it means you can have guests around or friends and family eating at the dinner table whilst you're also in the kitchen, so it's not too separate. And this kitchen has been designed in quite a neutral colour scheme, but you can choose from a range of options and upgrades, including cupboard doors, door handles and worktops to create the kitchen that suits you best. And another great feature of this room is the hidden storage, which is just tucked away in the corner of the room here. This is great if you've got anything you want to keep out of the way to keep your space neat and tidy, so any household items or ironing boards, things like that, you can put them all in there and everything else will be kept neat and tidy. So as we head upstairs, we head into the main bedroom, which is on the first floor of the property, and immediately as soon as you head into this room you can feel how open and spacious it is, and that's thanks to the high ceilings and the large windows at the back of the property. You can actually see how high the ceilings are with this bold statement headboard that we've chosen to use in this room. You also have the benefit of built-in wardrobes, so you can keep your space neat and tidy and all your clothes can be tucked out of the way, and you also have an ensuite bathroom. In the ensuite bathroom, you've got your very own shower, which is great if you want to keep everything separate from the family bathroom, which I'm going to show you a little bit later on this floor. So next up, we've got the second double bedroom, which again has another statement headboard, which I personally love, and some really nice final touches such as the statement lighting. This room feels really open and airy thanks to the natural light that's coming in from the window at the front of the home, and it's great if you've got guests around because you've got a whole separate bedroom for them. This is a really flexible space and can be used exactly how you want it to be used. And then we move into the third and final bedroom space, but as you can see, this hasn't been set up as a bedroom. It's been set up as a working from home space, which feels really open and productive and actually really creative. Now, this space is great if you've got that more flexible working pattern. However, it can be used as another bedroom for little ones, or it can equally be used as a room just for one of your hobbies. So it's a really flexible room that can be used exactly how you need it to be. And because all of our homes are built with modern living in mind, it's really important that you have enough storage to keep everything out of the way, which is why features like this hidden storage cupboard are great. And finally, we've got the family bathroom, which I mentioned earlier, and this has a bath and a shower, so you've got the choice of both. And as you can see, this has been designed with contrasting paint and tiles, which I think works really, really well in this room. But similar to the kitchen, you can choose from a range of options and upgrades to ensure that this space exactly suits your style. So hopefully you've enjoyed our tour around the 3-bedroom Mirin home. If you'd like to find out any more information, please click the link in the description below.